Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of drones, comparing the Ruko F11PRO and the Gloral drone with 4K camera RC quadcopter. On the left, we have the high-flying Ruko F11PRO, and on the right, the budget-friendly Gloral drone. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. First up, the Ruko F11PRO is priced at a wallet-squeezing $389. Meanwhile, the Gloral drone is a lot kinder to your bank account at just $179. You could buy 2 Gloral drones and still have enough left for a pizza party. Now, let's talk about the cameras. The Ruko F11PRO boasts a 4K UHD camera with a 120 degrees FOV lens and a 90 degrees adjustable angle. It's like having a tiny Spielberg in the sky. On the other hand, the Gloral drone also rocks a 4K camera with a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustability. Both drones will make your Instagram pop. But the Ruko might give you that extra edge with its wider field of view. How long can these birds stay in the air? The Ruko F11PRO offers a whopping 60 minutes of flight time with its 2 batteries. That's enough time to film your entire neighborhood and still have time to annoy your neighbors. Gloral drone gives you 46 minutes with its 2 batteries. Not bad, but it might leave you wanting a bit more if you're planning an aerial marathon. Intelligent flight modes, anyone? The Ruko F11PRO comes with Follow Me mode, Tap Fly, Point of Interest, and hand gesture shots. It's practically a flying butler. The Gloral drone isn't far behind with GPS follow, route planning, and fly around 360 degrees. These features are so smart, they could probably pass a drone SAT test. Safety first, folks. The Ruko F11PRO has GPS auto return home, so if it gets lost or runs out of juice, it'll come back to you like a loyal pet. The Gloral drone also features return to home and intelligent, fail-safe features. Both drones are like the responsible older siblings you never had, always making sure they get home safely. The Ruko F11PRO can handle level 6 winds thanks to its brushless motor and durable aluminum alloy casing. It's like the Hulk of drones. The Gloral drone doesn't mention specific wind resistance, but its compact and foldable design makes it a breeze to carry around. It's more like the Ant-Man of drones, small but mighty. For the newbies out there, the Ruko F11PRO is a great gift and comes with beginner settings and easy controls. You'll be flying like a pro in no time. The Gloral drone also caters to beginners with features like altitude hold, optical flow, and one-key takeoff landing. It's like having a drone with training wheels. Reviewers praise the Ruko F11PRO for its exceptional build quality, ease of flying in various conditions, and a host of features that make the flying experience enjoyable. On the other hand, the Gloral drone is lauded for its ease of setup, quiet operation, and good value for its price. Both drones receive high marks for their performance and features, making them excellent choices in their respective price ranges. So there you have it, folks. Both the Ruko F11PRO and the Gloral drone have their own set of amazing features. If you're looking for top-notch quality and are willing to spend a bit more, the Ruko is your go-to. But if you're on a budget and still want a fantastic flying experience, the Gloral drone won't disappoint. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Fly high and buy smart, everyone. See you next time.